This iPhone screen protector has the easiest installation method I've tried. It comes with a guide that fits right over your phone that results in a perfect fit every time. This is the Spigen EZFit screen protector. Today I'm going to install it on an iPhone 11. I've previously installed this on an iPhone 14 Pro, and the installation method was exactly the same, super simple. And here we're going to take a close-up look at that iPhone 14 Pro with the screen protector on. The 14 Pro version has full coverage with just a small notch cut out at the very top for the speaker. And let's set aside the iPhone 14 Pro and do the install on this iPhone 11. Opening up the box, first thing you'll see is the installation guide and some other bits and pieces. And in this pouch we have our lens wipes to clean the screen and some dust removal stickers. And this page shows that a squeegee should have also been included to remove the bubbles, but it was not in this package. And I'm also realizing that I only received one screen protector, so I'll have to deal with an Amazon return on that. I did receive two on the iPhone 14 version. But for now, let's move on to cleaning the screen and get this install going. And after you've cleaned it well with the wet wipe, then it's typically a good idea to wipe it with a microfiber cloth to get it nice and dry. And then you use the dust removal stickers to pick up any dust particles that might have fallen on the screen. Obviously, you don't want any dust particles underneath that screen, which will cause bubbles and other inconsistencies when you're looking at the screen. Now, moving on to the install, this is where the magic happens. First, you take off the backing cover. You want to make sure you just get the back and not the entire screen protector. Pull that off. You want to make sure you're lining the top and the bottom correctly. Place that on. Give it a good press up and down in that middle area, and the instructions say to wait 30 seconds before peeling it off. And finally, you take off the installation guide, work out any bubbles you might see, and then take off the final backing plastic, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up.